Hello and welcome to Echospeak English. Today, we're going to learn something super useful, something you'll need almost every day, how to go shopping and ask for prices in English. Ready? Let's get started.
So, first things first, a question for you. Do you like shopping? I mean, who doesn't, right? But whether you're buying clothes, grabbing some food, or looking for souvenirs, you absolutely have to know how to ask about the price. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to do that.
Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to start with just a few key words. Think of these as the building blocks for all the important sentences we're going to learn today.
All right, here's the most important question for any shopper. Listen closely. How much? Let's try saying it together. Ready? How much? Awesome.
Next up, we have the word this. Now you use this when you're talking about something that's right here, close to you. You know, something you could probably touch. Let's practice. Just repeat after me, this. Fantastic.
So, what if something is a little farther away? Well, for that, we use the word that. You'd use it for something across the room or maybe on a shelf that's too high to reach. It's all about the distance. Let's say it together. That. Perfect.
And finally, we have a little magic word that makes everything you say sound more polite. Please, adding this to your questions is always a really good idea. Let's say it nice and clear. Please. Excellent job.
So you've got the key words down. Now for the really fun part. Let's see how we can put them together to build real, useful sentences that you can use in pretty much any shop you walk into.
Here it is, our first full question. Imagine you're pointing at something right in front of you. You'd ask, how much is this? Did you notice how my voice went up a little at the end? That little lift is what makes it a question. Let's try it together. How much is this? And what if the thing you want is, say, on a shelf behind the counter? Yep, you'd use our other word. How much is that? Let's say it together again with that same questioning sound at the end. How much is that? You're doing great.
Now, what is the shopkeeper going to say back to you? Well, they might answer something like this. This is $5. It's a really common and clear way to say the price. Let's practice saying the answer. This is $5.
Okay, so you hear the price. What do you think? Is it a good deal? You have two really useful ways to respond here. If you think it's a great price, you can say, it is cheap. But if you think it costs way too much, you can say, it is expensive. Let's practice both. First, it is cheap. And now the other one, it is expensive.
All right, you know the words, you know the sentences. Now let's put it all together and see how it works in a real conversation. Just imagine you're in a store right now. Follow along with me.
So you walk into the shop, you see something you like, you pick it up and say to the seller, hello, how much is this? See? A perfect, polite start to the conversation.
The seller smiles back and tells you the price. They say, this is $10. Simple enough. Now you know how much it costs.
$10. That feels like a lot. So you use one of your new phrases. You say, oh, it is expensive. Do you have a cheap one? And just like that, you're asking for other options. It's a great thing to know how to do.
And look, the seller is happy to help. They understand what you mean and show you something else, saying, yes, this one is $5. Now that's much better.
You're happy with the new price, so it's time to buy it. To end the conversation, you just say, okay, I'll take it, thank you. That phrase, I'll take it, is exactly how you say you've decided to buy it.
And the seller will finish with a nice, polite response, something like, you're welcome. And there you have it. You just successfully bought something in English. It's that easy.
That was fantastic. Now, before we finish, let's do a super quick review of the most important phrases from today. Think of this as your personal cheat sheet for shopping success.
So here it is, your shopping cheat sheet. Just remember to start with the main question, how much is this? Then you can give your opinion. It is cheap or it is expensive. Then you make your choice. I'll take it. And of course, always finish with a polite thank you. Practice these and you'll feel totally confident in any store.
And that just about does it for today. But I've got one last question for you to think about. What are you going to buy first with your new English skills? Maybe a coffee? A book? A new shirt? The possibilities are endless.
You did an amazing job today. Seriously. If you like this lesson and you want to learn more practical English just like this, make sure you subscribe to Echospeak English. We have new lessons coming out all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.